If you've come across Fortimpact and you're wondering, is this actually legit? You're not alone. In this Fortimpact review for 2026, I'm taking a closer look at what it offers, how it works, and whether it gives me enough confidence to recommend it. The first thing I noticed is that finding solid, independent information about Fortimpact can be difficult. And that matters. A professional-looking website does not automatically mean a platform is trustworthy. Scammers can also create websites that look convincing. Even official-looking pages are not proof by themselves. So, what should you look for? First, check who actually runs the platform. Look for a real company name, verifiable contact details, and clear terms and conditions. Next, look at the money side. If Fortimpact asks you to pay upfront, promises unusually high returns, or pressures you to act quickly, that's a major warning sign. And if you're dealing with anything related to investing or financial services, don't rely only on testimonials. In South Africa, the FSCA regularly publishes warnings about suspicious and unlicensed financial operations. I also wouldn't send money simply because someone online says they made money with Fortimpact. So, is Fortimpact a scam? At this point, I'd say be cautious. I couldn't find enough strong, independent evidence to confidently call it a proven scam. But I also wouldn't call it fully trustworthy without doing more research. My advice? Don't rush. Verify the company. Check independent reviews. Read the withdrawal rules. And most importantly, never send money you can't afford to lose.